Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm gonna watch you one of the most popular haircut, blunt bob haircut. A blunt haircut is a style where the hair is cut straight across with no layers and texture. It creates a sharp, clean and edgy look that is popular for its simplicity and versatility. This type of haircut is often done with razor or shears to achieve a precise, blunt line. Blunt haircut can be styled in various ways, including straight and sleek, curled or with a textured tousled look. Overall, a blunt haircut is a timeless and classic style that can be customized to suit different face shapes, hair textures, and personal preferences. If you want to know about more haircut, then tell me in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay blessed and thanks for watching.